How can you download and use the Roblox Studio on your phone in 2023? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. As you can see, once you go to your Roblox app, you cannot find the studio right here, the Roblox Studio. You need to go to your browser, preferably the Chrome browser. Once you open it, go to roblox.com and make sure you are connected to your Roblox account. After that, tap on create right here. Once you'll be taken to this page, wait for this screen to completely load up. This is basically the Roblox Studio that you're looking for. Just wait for it to completely load up. Once it does, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on desktop site to go to the desktop version of the website. Again, wait for it to fully load up. And just like that, you are basically in the Roblox Studio from your phone and from your Chrome browser. Of course, you can use any browser that you want, but I prefer the Chrome browser because it's easy to use and easy to turn on the desktop version. Now from here, you can do whatever you want in this Roblox Studio. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.